In today's session, we'll learn about various plastic molding methods like compression molding, blow molding, extrusion, vacuum forming, and calendering method. In compression molding method, the mold is charged with measured amount of powder which is to be compressed. Then plastic material is forced under compression to flow rapidly around the cavity. The heat from platen are cause the plastic to cure, resulting in permanent change in shape. Here the component is rejected from the mold and excess material formed at edges is removed. Thermosetting plastic material is used in compression molding. In blow molding method, compressed air is blown inside of parison, which is in flat sheet, pushing the soft plastic hard against cold surface of mold. The mold is open and molding ejected, and the waste material is streamed off with a knife. The blow molding method is used to make bottles and other lightweight hollow parts, and the material used in blow molding are high density polyethylene and low density polyethylene material. In extrusion process, the dry plastic material is placed into hopper and feed into long heating chamber. Here turning screw pushes the plastic into barrel where heater increases temperature and melted polymer is obtained. At the end of chamber, the material is forced out of a small opening or a die in the shape of desired finished product. As the plastic exits the die, it is placed on conveyor belt where it is allowed to cool. This process of extrusion is usually used to make product such as film, continuous sheeting, tubes, profile shapes, rods, filaments, cords and cables. In vacuum forming method, the mold is attached to a platen. The platen and mold are then lowered. The rigid thermoplastic sheet material is clamped onto an airtight gasket and usually heated from the above. Once thermoplastic sheet is softened, then air is blown in to rise the sheet in slight bubble before the platen is raised, bringing the mold into contact with plastic. Here trapped air remaining between the platen and the heat plastic sheet is then evacuated by the vacuum pump. Here atmospheric pressure acting over the top surface completes the forming process by pressing plastic sheet onto the mold. Once the plastic sheet has cooled down to below its freezing point, the air flow is reversed to lift the forming of the mold and the mold is lowered. This process is used to manufacture a variety of product in thermoplastic material. The most popular material is high impact polystyrene. It is relatively cheap, comes in wide range of colors and it is easy to form. In calendering process, the melted polymer is subjected to heat and pressure in extruder and form into sheet or film by calendering rolls. The temperature and speed of rolls are influences the properties of film. Here calender is a series of hard pressure rollers used to finish or smooth a sheet of material such as plastic.